Bolt's big lesson: happiness isn't a competition. In a lively playground filled with colorful robots, Bolt watched as his friends played games, cheered, and celebrated each other's successes. I wish I could be the best at something too. Excitement filled the air as the robots lined up for a big race. Bolt felt a rush of determination. I'm going to win this race no matter what. As the race began, Bolt saw his friends Zoom speed ahead, and a feeling of envy bubbled inside him. Why does Zoom always have to be so fast? Focused on winning, Bolt pushed himself harder, forgetting to enjoy the race and the cheers of his friends. I must catch up! I can't let anyone beat me! But in his eagerness, Bolt stumbled and fell, watching his friends race past him with cheerful smiles. Oh no, not again! Instead of continuing the race, Bolt's friends paused, cheering him on and offering their help.
Come on, Bolt, you can do it, just keep going.
Bolt felt a warm glow inside. He realized how much their support meant and got back up to join them. Thanks, everyone. I'm ready to race again. After the race, instead of focusing on who won, they celebrated everyone's effort, sharing laughter and high fives. Great job, everyone. We all did amazing. From that day on, Bolt found joy in helping others, sharing his toys and cheering for his friends. Let's all play together. It's way more fun. Bolt learned that everyone had their special talents, and working together brought out the best in all of them. Let's combine our talents to make something awesome. With his newfound wisdom, Bolt organized a game day, inviting everyone to play and share their skills. Everyone is welcome. Let's have fun together. As the sun set, Bolt reflected on the joy of friendship and how helping each other made them all happy. Helping others really does make me happy. Bolt waved goodbye to his friends. I can't wait for our next adventure together.